Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one divided by this one divided by this one, and this one divided by this one. So we will have about 4x squared plus 5x plus 3. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about the integration of s to the power of n ds. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And this one, we have number 2 in here. 2 plus 1, we have number 3, and we have 4s to the power of 3 over 3, 5s squared over 2, and 3s. And we have the powers from 7 to number 10. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 10 in here. Number 7 in here. And this one we have the answer. So we have 2025 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.